Check this beautiful airplane out. I've been trying to catch this plane on film for months. They pull it out of the hangar, it gets ready and takes off. When it lands, it goes back into the hangar. I've never been able to catch it on camera. I haven't even had a chance to Google it. I believe it's a Cirrus or a Cirrus, C-I-R-R-U-S, SR22T. Turbocharged. 315 horse from what I've been able to Google on this one a little bit earlier. But I'm struggling to find all the information out because I'm pressed for time on this one. Looks like it's made of carbon fiber. It's absolutely beautiful. There is a plane I would love to own. It is stunning. A little windy here today. I've seen some websites say it'll do 1,000 nautical miles. I've seen some websites say it does under 2,000 nautical miles distance-wise. 377 kilometers an hour, I think it's hit.